Greetings and welcome to Unit 3, Lesson 4, where we're going to learn about parametric equations. Parametric equations is a skill that you definitely will need and will revisit next year in BC Calculus. And we're going to learn just kind of some basics of parametric equations in this lesson. I think it's important that we take a little bit of time to understand why they're useful and why they're necessary before we start diving into example problems. So, up to this point, you've been representing a graph by a single equation involving two variables. So I gave you some examples here on the side. Two variables, x and y, or t and y. You have dealt with graphs where perhaps we graphed like somebody diving off of a diving board, and this would represent like where they were on the diving board. Maybe they went up a little bit, they were up a little bit above the diving board on their dive, and they eventually splashed here at the water. But what this graph is not giving you, they're giving you a distance, like a horizontal distance and a vertical distance, but they're not giving you the time it takes to get to those places. So what we're going to spend time doing is studying situations in which it's useful to introduce a third variable or a parameter. Remember, these are called parametric equations, so we're going to introduce a third parameter to represent a curve in the plane. So in the next video, I found a Khan Academy example that I just want you to watch. You don't have to take notes, but just so you can get maybe the big picture on why parametric equations are important.